Hi 5K, welcome to math meeting. Let's begin with days of the week. How many days of the week are there again? Do you remember? There are 7, yeah. Let's sing the song that helps us remember our 7 days of the week. Ready? There are 7, there are 7, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right. And what day is today? Do you know? Here's your hint if you don't know. Yesterday was Wednesday. So what comes after Wednesday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday. Yeah, today is Thursday. I'll say it and then you say it. Today is Thursday. Your turn. Today is Thursday. All right. Let's talk about months of the year. How many months are there in a year? Do you remember? Yeah, there's 12 months in the year. And what month are we in right now? Do you remember? Yep, October. October. Let's sing the months of the year song that helps us remember our months. You can stand on the ground and you can do the dance with me if you want to too. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Sit down. Fantastic. Good job. Let's move on to what day exactly in October? Let's look at our calendar to find out. So yesterday was Wednesday the 21st, October 21. So let's count let's start from 12, okay? We'll count from 12 and we'll find out what today is, okay? Ready? Count with me. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, yeah. And when you're back in school, you can always look at the yellow number line too if you can't remember. 21, 22. That works too. And what shape is today going to be with our pattern being rectangle, circle, circle? So yesterday we had a circle, the day before we had a circle. What's today? Rectangle, circle, circle. Yeah, today's going to be a rectangle. The pattern starts over again. So today we have a rectangle, 22, made up of 2 2s, right? Oh, dropped it. Thursday the 22nd. That's how you say it, right? So let's move on to writing our date. If you're able to right now, go ahead and grab your whiteboard and a piece of or a piece of paper, and you can write the date with me. What month did we say again? October, right? Let's write our October. What's the first letter in October? October. October. So go ahead and make a capital O, right? Because it's the first letter in a month. That means it's special. It gets a capital letter. So your capital O is going to be bigger than, or it'll be bigger than your lowercase o, right? We make our lowercase o later. What about this letter? This letter, k. What letter makes the k sound? Yep, C does. So go ahead and make your lowercase c. This is only going to be half as big as your big capital O, right? Ak. T. What letter makes the t sound? Yep, a T, a T. And this T, we'll just do the regular one where it goes down and you cross on vanilla. All right. What comes after that T right here? Yep, you should know this as the lowercase o, right? So go ahead and make your lowercase o this time, because we know there's 2 O's in October, but the first one is capitalized and the one in the middle is not. What about this one? October. What makes the b sound? Yeah, a B does. And to make a B, you go from top to bottom and give it a belly to the right. All right. What about these last two letters? What are these last two letters? It's the two letters that go together to make What are those? It's an E-R, yeah. So go ahead and make it your lowercase e. To make that, you make a line to the right, and then you make a C, like that. And then to make an R, you go from vanilla to chocolate, you trace up, and then you give it a hook, right? That's how you write October. Good job. Now, what day in October did we say again? If you don't remember, you can look at our calendar. What day are we at? 22, yeah, the 22nd. So let's write a 22 for 22nd, right? And a 22 has two twos. So you're gonna make two twos by curving around and sliding to the right. October 22nd. All right. What do we need next? It's something small. Yeah, your cute little comma, your sideways smile, that goes right next to your second two. Not floating up here or over here, right next to there, next to your two. And what year are we in? 2020, that's right. What's the first number in 2020? Yeah, 2. We have 3 2s in a row that we get to write. And what comes after that 2? A 0. And then what comes next? Another 2. Curve around and slide to the right. And the last number in the year that we're in is another 0. All right. Let's grab your microphones and announce it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is October 22nd, 2020. Oh, you guys are getting good at that. All right, let's talk about our days in school so far. Yesterday, we had 38 days in school. So how many will we have today? Today, we'll have 39 days in school. What two numbers make up a 39? Yeah, a 3 and a 9. And the 3 has to come first, right? 39, like that. So I'm going to color the 39th square in our days in school chart. For 39 days in school. All right, let's talk about the 10s and 1s that are in 39. How many 10s are there in 39? You can look at the number if it helps you. Yeah, there's 3 10s in 39. And how many 1s are there in 39? This is the ones place, so there would be 9 1s in 39. All right, let's look at the pattern for today. If you wrote the date with me, that'd be awesome if you could write the pattern with me too. So read the pattern with me so far, what we have. Ready? 10, 12, 14. Okay, 10, 12, 14. If that repeats itself, and this is it starting over, what do we have at the beginning? Yeah, 10. So our next number would be a 10 because these 3 start over. So 10 at the beginning. 10 was at the beginning. What comes after the 10 in our pattern? 10, what are we going to put here? Yeah, we're going to put a 12 in that spot because 12 comes after 10 in this pattern. to make a 12, it's a 1 and a 2, right? 1 and a 2. And finally, what's our last number in our pattern for today? What was that third one? 10, 12, 14. 14, right? And ones always come first in our teen numbers. So 1 and then a 4, down, slide right, cut it in 2. 1, 4 makes 14. All right. Let's say it all together to double check our work. Ready? 10, 12, 14, 10, 12, 14. We got it right. All right. Let's talk coins. Let's do our coin cup for the day. How much money do we have today in our coin cup? Let's look. Count with me the pennies that we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 coins, and they're all pennies. Look, they all are brown and have that Abraham Lincoln on the front and that on the back. So we have 8 pennies. So we gotta count them again to put them up here. So count with me again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold on, I ran out. 7, 8. 8 pennies. And then we always write how much a penny is worth above each one. And how much is a penny worth again? 1 cent, right? 1 cent. So I write a 1 above each one because each penny. Oh, my penny fell down. I'll just put up another one. 1 penny or 1 cent for each penny. So if we have 8 pennies, that means we have how much money in our cup? 8 cents, right? 8 cents. All right, thanks for doing that with me. Let's move on to the weather. Go ahead and sing the weather song with me. Ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? Well, my prediction was that it would be a cloudy day today. So even if it's not cloudy by your house, go ahead and sing the cloudy song with me. Ready? It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. All right. Cloudies are definitely winning, aren't they? How many more cloudies do we have than sunnies? Do you see how many more there are? Here's how you can tell. You count all of the ones above where sunny stops, right? Because that tells you how many more there are than sunny. So let's count all of the ones from here and above to tell us how many more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 more sunnies. 5 more cloudies than sunnies, right? All right. Thanks for doing that with me. Let's talk shapes real quickly before we end math meeting. How many sides does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 sides in a square. And what makes a square different than a rectangle? How can you tell the difference? Yeah, a square always has equal sides, where a rectangle can have longer sides and some shorter. Yeah. What about how many sides does a triangle have? How many sides does a triangle have? 3, right? 3 sides in a triangle and 3 angles too. And it's a triangle no matter how I hold it, right? And what about this one? How many sides does a circle have? 0, right? No sides at all. It's just round all the way around. Yep. All right. Thank you for following along for math meeting today, kindergartners. I hope you enjoyed it. And good luck with the rest of your work today. I hope you have a good day.